trade here on the IQCent. Okay, and it's a 2-minute trade. You can see right there. Let me refresh the screen, and let's come back and see what happened here. Okay, so that one was let's find another area. So we're gonna draw our line. Gonna find a very nice area entrance. So basically we are using the moving average 50. Okay, let's see, moving average 50, exponential. Okay, this one here. And then you come here onto the settings, change the length to 50. The style, we're going to put it white so we can see that, and then we're going to make it thicker. You can use that. Okay, there you go. Not so thick, but thick enough so we can see it. Alright, so that's the moving average, exponential moving average 50. So when the candles are closing, opening and closing below this line, you know it's a downward trend. Okay, so you're going to be looking for sell options, which is down the red. Okay, and if when the candles are above, opening and closing above this line, you'll be looking for buys, which is the green or going up. Okay, now that's only one signal. The other signal we're going to look for is an area of interest. Okay, so we're going to look for an area of interest, and one area of interest is the lowest point. Okay, the first lowest point when the candles cross the exponential moving average. So you see, like here, for example, this would have been the lowest, the first lowest point there. So that would be our point of interest. You can see that. But you can see here, it came and touched this level here again, and now they're moving way further away from the moving averages. So that's not a very good pair for us. Okay, let's try another pair. Okay, so here is one. So these are just going down now. You can see that pair is going down. The first crossing here, the latest crossing was here, and the lowest point is this one here. So that would be an interest, an area of interest for us. So we're going to put a horizontal line there. Let's put a horizontal line right there. Okay, and I'll put it green, signifying that it's going up. Okay, so if the candles come down here and touch this line, we're going to push up. Okay, and we're going to put this 30 seconds. Okay, and you only use 1% of your account total. Okay, so we wait and see if this come down here and touch this line. As soon as they touch this line, you're going to push up, Okay, now if it breaches the line, then this line is not a good point for us to take the trades. Okay, so we're going to look for another pair. Alright guys, so right now this is not a good pair for us. This one here, we can wait and see. Okay, this is coming down, so let's be ready. Okay, once it touches the green, this horizontal line, then we're going to push up here. So let's be ready. And we give this 30 seconds. Always make sure this is 30 seconds when you're trading with the IQCent. If you don't have an account with this broker, I put a link in the description. Go ahead and you get 50% bonus. So that means if you put $100, you're going to get $50. So your account would be $150. Okay, use the link in the description, guys. So I'm just waiting for it to come down and then I will push up. So far it has not come down. Okay. As you can see, maybe we can move this a little bit there. Okay. Okay, so we just have to be patient until these come down. Okay, you could also find another point of interest up here. That means we will push down when they come to that line. Okay, so we can have another line here. And there we go, change the color to red. Okay, that's another point of interest right there. So if this goes above the, see that's above the EMA 50 and it comes up here, when it touches that, you're going to push down for 30 seconds and you use only 1% of your account total. That is proper risk management, so you don't blow your account. We can check other pairs. Let's see. Let's look at that one. AUD USD. That one. Okay, the candles. This cross was here, and the highest point was that. Okay, so we can use that as our point of interest. And then we also crossed here, and the highest point was that. We can use that as our point of interest. Okay, so we can just put there another point of interest. Try that there. Let's look at that one. The first cross, second cross, and the lowest point is that one. So we can use this as our point of interest. And we're gonna make this green. So if it touches that, we will go up for 30 seconds. Let's get ready. Okay. Okay, there we go. We're in. Let's see. If it breaches, then you have to take another one. Okay. Okay. Still in the money for 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. Okay, there, guys. So that was a profitable trade. Let's wait, see if it comes down again. Trying to zoom out so I can see this. So all you have to do is just push up. Okay, when it comes to that line, just push up. Very simple, guys. I'm getting ready. See this red line that's blinking? If it comes and it aligns with the green line, I'm just going to push up. You don't have to think. Just don't make it complicated. Not yet. It's not a really good entry. Not yet. Come on, a little bit further. Okay, there. There we go. Maybe too late, but let's see. Okay, it's going up. It's going up. Okay, guys, it's going up. It is going up, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, it is going up. There you go. So it's profitable trade, you can see. Okay, so that's the second one. And you recoup your losses plus some profit. So we be ready again. If it comes and touches that line, we just push up. That's all we have to do, man, all day long. There we go. I think it breached, so this may be a lost trade. Yeah, it's gone down. It breached the line, so the line is no longer good, guys, but let's see. Yeah, yes, so it's gone down. Okay. So that's no longer a good line for us. We're gonna have to look for another one. Let's see if it comes back. Okay, so we're gonna have, this is gonna be our lowest point now. So we're gonna just shift this line down here. And we wait, because that's now our lowest point after the cross. That's our lowest point so far. So if this comes down to that point, then we are going to enter the trade. Okay, guys. Yeah, I think so. Somebody's asking, okay. Yeah, you have to practice because we are all learning this. Every day is learning. We are all learning. So my suggestion is we all practice this before you start trading and risking your funds, because trading is very risky. You can see there's no strategy that's 100% win rate. Okay, if anybody is telling you that, you learn very quickly that that's not true. Okay, so don't be fooled by what you see online, the social medias, Instagram, all those gurus telling you they have a ironclad strategy that wins all the time. That's not true. Okay, they just need to continue trading. They're just one trade away from not succeeding, getting 100% win. So we are all adults here, and what we are sharing is not financial advice, guys. You gotta practice this, learn these strategies. Okay, requires some practice. You can do that on the demo accounts. So you don't use your real money, just use paper money to practice. Practice, practice, practice. That's all we need to do, guys. Practice, practice, practice. I'm sure if we practice long enough, we are going to be successful. And practice what we call proper risk management. Okay, like now on this one here, just use 1% of your total account. So if your account is $100, you're going to take only $1 trades. Okay, and you can see these pairs that I'm using, they're paying anywhere from 92% to 95%. So that means for every dollar that you risk, you make 95 cents, or 92 to 95 cents. Okay, so if you lose, you lose $1. If you win, you win $1. You make $1.95. Now, there's another technique that we learned many years ago, and that has been used for many years ago, where you can hedge your position. So you take a trade in one direction, and as soon as you realize, the first few seconds you realize that it's going to the opposite direction, you can take a trade in the opposite direction. So your loss is going to be very minimal. Okay, so but you have to be quick on the charts, and that's the key thing there, how quickly you can practice that. So you're quick to spot that the trade is not going in your direction. So not all brokers are good for this type of strategy, but IQCent is good. So guys, go ahead and practice. If you don't have an account with IQCent, go ahead and open one. Link is in the description. Subscribe and like this and share. And if you have any comments, questions, leave them in the comments. Okay, so right now I'm seeing it's coming down again. So I'll be ready to push up. When that line aligns with the green line, you just push up. And you wait for 30 seconds. Yeah, that's all you do, just push up. Okay, there you go. It's almost there, but it's not quite there, guys. Okay, let's see. Just almost there. There we go. There we go. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.